So I've learned that if you want to grow a real following on social media or in your business or whatever, you have to be a real person. Hey, I'm just an average guy trying to make $100,000 online only using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. And yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I made $42.90. That brings my total over 171 days now, I think, to this much, and that brings my average over that period of time to this much. And the thing is, like, I could pretend that I've already made it, but the thing is, I haven't. Like, I don't have an annual income of $100,000 just yet. Our household income is higher than that just because my wife makes a good salary through her job, and I do contribute somewhat to all this through my other job, my full-time employment. But the thing is, I don't make $100,000 online only yet, and I don't pretend that I do. You have to be a real person if you want to, make real connections with people. You have to be a real person and share your honest and true thoughts and your honest and true process if you want to, build whatever that it is that you're trying to build. I see so many people who are pretending online. Fake it till you make it. I don't know exactly, but authenticity is the key word nowadays. And if you want to build something that other people can relate to, you have to be the real you. And that's hard to do because sometimes putting the real you out there is difficult. Sometimes we're insecure about, are people really going to connect with me? Are people really going to find me all that interesting? And I've come to the point, I'm over 40. This is also a trending topic right now. I just don't care as much about all that. If people connect with me because of who I am, awesome. If they don't, they're going to find somebody else to connect with, and that's awesome too. I don't have to be liked by everyone. I don't have to, get the biggest following in the world. I'm just trying to be me, I'm trying to share my journey, and I hope that inspires other people as well. And if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.